Hi, this is Andy Sykes of Sykes Elder Law in Pittsburgh, here to talk to you this time about using trusts in estate planning. So there are two questions I want to talk about. One is, what is a trust, and why would you want to use a trust in estate planning? So to understand a trust, you can think of it like a box or like this wagon here. It's something that can own your assets. So for example, you might have a house, an investment account, you might have some CDs, life insurance, whatever it is that you have, you can put it in this trust. And the idea is that instead of you owning these things yourself, the trust owns it as a separate legal entity. All right. Now you'd also have a trust document that would say what happens within the trust, who controls the trust, who gets to benefit from the trust, when and how do people benefit. Really a whole variety of rules. So in a nutshell, that's how a trust works. Why would you want to use one in estate planning? Well, here are some of the many reasons people use trusts in estate planning and things that they try to accomplish. One is to try to avoid probate, so you make it easier and cheaper to pass on assets after you die. Another is to try to save on federal estate taxes. Another is to protect assets, either during your lifetime or after you die. So if you're concerned about, as you get older and lose capacity, losing assets to designing persons or nursing home spend down or future lawsuit liability, a trust can be a really powerful way to protect assets. You may want to use a trust to benefit a loved one, for example, a surviving spouse, someone who's disabled, someone who's a minor, either a child or a grandchild, anybody that has problems managing money, even somebody that doesn't have problems managing money, but that you want to provide a certain amount of asset protection for them in case something bad happens to them, divorce, bankruptcy, lawsuits, all this sort of thing. If you're in a second marriage, or you think that perhaps your spouse might meet someone after you're gone, trust can be a really good way to provide for your kids, in case you have a surviving spouse and you want to pass things on to your kids. So those are just some of the many ways that trust can help you out in estate planning. If you want to learn more about all the powerful things you can do with trusts in estate planning, come to one of our free estate planning workshops in Pittsburgh, and you can go to our website and learn how to register. Thanks for watching.